Laying low, no place to go.
Yes, my wife.
Wife to be.
Wife to be.
What's going on here?
Why is she calling herself a wife to be?
Because they don't go soon marry me.
What?
Yes.
Well, yes, I've been meaning to tell you guys that I'm getting married to her.
Getting married?
Yes.
Uh-huh.
Surprise.
Yeah. We they do a privacy relationship.
Amazing actors and actresses. Now, as I would always say, I always bring you guys premium movies. When I mean premium, this movie is hilarious. You should definitely watch this movie. Now, this movie, as usual, has four basic lessons. Number one, entitlement should not be encouraged in any way. Make your own money and be appreciative if somebody gives you even a little of theirs. No one is entitled to anyone's wealth. Number two, peace is necessary in a family. When people say be my peace, it applies both in male and in female. Please be the peace in people's lives. Don't cause chaos in their lives. Number three, you can love family from afar, especially if they threaten your peace and sanity. Number four, don't because of sacrifices people have made for you, attempt to be tied down by their sacrifices or attempt to let them guilt trip you. Now, this is the point where I always say, please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscription is totally free, it will always be free. Thank you to the 600 and counting subscribers. I love you guys. I am blown, like I am blown away. Thank you so much for subscribing. Keep subscribing. Bye.